Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 11. Okay, I made a cool Notion to show you one by one what the steps are. Step number 1, download the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. How do you do that? Okay, just go to Google and Google it. It should be either the second or first one, it doesn't really matter. And from here, you're gonna click on this and download it. You need either a DVD or a USB with 8 gigabytes that is free to create an installation. This is completely free to download. And after you have done that, you want to boot into the Windows recovery environment. So put that USB into your PC. Enter the BIOS by pressing, usually it's F2, it's F2 on my computer. Or you can hold down these other delete or escape, it depends on what kind of motherboard you have, to enter the BIOS. And then set your USB as a primary boot device. Again, this is different on everyone's computer, but it shouldn't be too hard to figure out. Boot from it, select a language, and then click on repair your computer, troubleshoot advanced options. Okay. After you have done that, run bootret commands. In advanced options, run command prompt and run the following commands one by one. Bootret, fix mbr, fix boot, fix scanos, rebuild BCD. If it gives an access denied, run bcd boot this and replace the C drive if your system drive is different. After that, run the system file checker by doing /scan now. And then run this if issues remain, and after that run check disk and restart and test. Press exit. Afterward, I'm gonna put all of these in a video description below. And if the issue, remove the USB and restart your PC. If the issue persists, repeat steps 2 and 5, and this should fix the issue. If you want to go through this slowly, feel free to pause the video and look at all of these. But again, I'll put this in the video description below or in the pinned comment. And that is it. This should fix your issue for Windows 11.